with you. I can be sad with you.
Hello, hello.
Red. We were going to hire these bikes, but Mick says he's too advanced for us to ride. When was it built, Steve?
Chapel. Well,
You see right down there, look, well. Have an ham and cheese, Grizz. Yeah. I would if I were you.
you wanted to go there then?
Look, mate. Straight right corner. There now. Hi, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. This is Big D here. How you doing? Apart from losing the drone, we had a good night last night, so it was not a bad day. Today we're going to have a day off the bikes. We're walking around doing various things. Whatever we're going to be doing, I don't know. So we'll see what happens, and we'll take it from there. So the weather looks good in France today, and I believe it's good in England today. So we're sharing it around. You see the joy is coming. Here's Major Mo. Say good morning, Major Mo.
Hello.
He's just powdering and puffing his glasses up, ready for a walk around town. So we'll catch you later. Right, here we go then, Mo. So we're now wandering around the town here. But yeah, to look at. Very nice. I brought some painkillers, Mo.
Yeah.
Chateau. Oh, I like that little chair to sit there, Mo. That's alright, isn't it? Bolted to the ground, look. Little chair for you. Oh, Steve's already had a walk round here this morning. There's lots of traffic, Mo. Go on, Major Mo. Oh, you see right down there, look, Mo. The old river. I love the shutters, Mo. Look at the flowers. Very nice. And this is the way we're going for, look, Mo. The Arc de Triomphe. It's not the Paris Arc de Triomphe. This was built by the Romans, I believe. I have to ask Steve which one was built first. Look at Postwoman. That's where you get your mail from. Go on, Mo, green man. Drinking water. Eh? Not drinking water, Mo, it says, look. No drinko. No drinko. There we go. Very nice morning. Oops. There's old Bathroom I can see over there. A guy in an electric scooter. Flashing round, look. And there it is, look. We have a nice little chair here to sit on. Oh, rest your legs for 5 minutes. On the Arc de Triomphe. Here's old Bats, look, coming across. Say good morning, Bats. Bats is on channel. He's looking for a drink, old Bats. There we go. Yes, so this is it, look. A bit more closer. That's all you get there, look. Everybody seems to be in a happy mood. There's the gang over there, look. When was it built, Steve?
Chapel. Well, I'm assuming around this result having ensured the safeguard. The arch was free from defensive duties during the 18th century.
And this is a eucalyptus tree. Pull one off, Mo. They'll be a bit spiky for you.
Yeah.
Oh, Mo can get them, look. Mo's got the eucalyptus berries. Hey, you can go rub them on your bum, and on your legs, and on your knees, and you get no aches, Mo. Perfect. So this is another view of it here. This very interesting Arc de Triomphe. It's very fascinating. You see? You see, this is what the Romans built, isn't it, Steve? Hey? Yeah, the Romans built this. And if you look up there, you'll see the pigeons, look. You can see the pigeons ready to shit straight on your head. Yes, I think it was Speedy Eye got the contract for the tools. It wasn't that other name what Moe tends to use now and again. What are you saying that word for? I'm on my holidays, you shouldn't be saying that word. Shut up, chuff. So, there we go. For being a bad spot. Bah!
There you go, there's Mo. Say hello, Mo. Hello. Hello.
Red.
There you go.
All red.
Just like your feet.
We press red to go.
Just like a big
Hello.
tomato.
Hello.
Look at this, blackjack and beans.
Hey, what you like, hey? Come on. Hey. There he is, there darling lad, look. There he goes. Oh, panhead. That's what you want, Mo.
Since you have been gone, like I was told, you're the only one.
Here we are up to the street. The street of bars. Arouche. Whatever this is. Phew, he needed a wish. Some smelly ones here, I've got to say. Phew. There's a bear there, look, Mo. Oh, where's he taking us to? Grand Hotel Orange there, look, mate, that's where we were going to stay. That's where we were going to stay, the Grand Hotel Orange. Yeah, that one there, look. That's it there. Can't remember how I said I'd have that balcony up there, look. Look, mate, straight right corner. There now. Down here, look. Hey, there's a square down there.
We're doing a bit of exploring.
Yeah. Yeah. Bit of exploring, Grizz. Yeah. A Tenere. Where's he gone? He's here with garbage. Yeah. Oh, man, we don't have a beer.
A beer here.
A beer up there, or a beer around here. Where do you want to have a beer? Anyways.
Want a beer, Mo?
You want a beer, Mo?
Are we having a beer? Do you want a beer? Yeah.
We'll have a little look round. Have a little look round. There we are. We're drinking Nat's Piss, Mick calls it. It's called Jupiler. And there's the king. I don't know who he is. He's some sort of dude over there. Can you see him? Stood up there. Yeah. Yes. Rambo the Third. Orange. Rambon. He is. He's a very proud chap up there, he is. Very proud chap. And can you see that very strange thing that your dad used to tell you about up there, look? I'll just go out a little bit. It's called the sun. The sun. That's what it's called, the sun. Again, at another bar in the French section here, look. There's Marcus on the phone as usual. Moyes seems to have joined the phone club lately.
Here we go, wonder who's learnt it off. How's he learnt it off?
How's he learnt it off? Hey, look, there's only a grizzly over there looking cool, look. and people just walking past, minding their own business, and our glasses are empty again, so we're going to have to move on. We were going to hire these bikes, but Mick says he's too advanced for us to ride. He's an advanced push biker. He's been trained by the Cardwell School of Riding. No thank you, Andrew. Oh look, you can get Willow up back, look. Yeah.
You might have one of them you can get up.
Yeah, I'll get up back, Mo, we can drive. Yeah, look, Mo. 60 bucks, Mo, for some shoes. Top pricks.
Top price.
Yeah, an orange. Yeah. GoPro orange. Watch out, Kay's a cop coming around the corner. Where are you going now? Oh, the official site there, look. Dog vape. What the fuck's dog vape? Hey? Dog vape? Orange vape?
Cigarettes and vaping for a KTM.
Dog vape.
Well, this is the coliseum thing, isn't it?
This is the Coliseum thing. That's it, that's how it goes. This was built in 1 AD.
It's going to climb the hill. You've got to walk up to the top, you can do it about 1,000 steps.
Oh, well, you crack on then. Crack on then, Grizz. I'll meet you at the bottom in the bar. Oh, it looks nice here, fella. Hey? Ah, what's this little shop here, fella? What's he selling? Look at this here. Look. Oh, who's this dude here? What's this dude's position? Oh, it's nice here. This is very nice. This is a bit more upmarket, where you finally brought us. A bit of breeze and all. Lovely. Lovely, fella. Stand there, I'll take the picture. Oh, so here we are, still here messing around. Whatever this dude is. I think we found yet another bar, look. There's lots of bars around here, look. Old Sting's been here, look. Can you see him there, look? With his bass guitar. Hey?
The only one.
Go up here. Go up here, there's a hat there for you, Mick. You got an hat? That's entrance number 3. Coming, your time is up. Entrance number 1 there, look. You have to pay. Oh, good night. Money. Money for everything. Money for everything, Grizz.
Chicks for free.
Yeah, well, so walk across the road here. There's a copper man there, Mick.
Mighty Orange.
Is he the Mighty Orange? Mo! The Mighty Orange, let's go and have a picture taken with him. He's the original Mighty Orange. That's him there, look, Mr. KTM, look. He's the official KTM. These are all old rocks, look, from olden days. The Forum. Look, some more old rocks. All the way up there, look. All the way across there, look. Hey, up GS. Richard Shelton's here, look. Shelton's here with GoPro on his neck. COVID Shelton. Come on, COVID Shelton, your time is up. Here he comes. Triple black. There he goes.
Proper spam Sims and job.
Yeah, proper. No messing around like tossers. So I want to go and see Mr. Orange over there.
You have to pay to get in.
Why? It's a restaurant. More pretty little plants, look.
Oh, is that there was a nice Jamaican bar?
Oh, that'll do then.
Yes, there was.
Saigon. We could go to Saigon here, look.
Yeah, this is that's the one.
What can we have here? English menu.
Yeah, shrimps.
English menu.
Yeah, couscous chicken. No.
We're still walking around like mountain goats. That's how good we are.
We've done about a mile, if that.
Flapjack and beans, mountain goats. My, oh my arse, Grizzly. It's like saying electric cars are the future. My arse.
Your arse.
Hey, look, there's a haircut for you here, Mick. Bonnet. We're going to have your barnet done, Mo. We're going to get a quote off him. Can make you look like that, look, Mo.
If you come out looking like that, then
Yeah, we'll all go in. We'll all go in.
it's only come like more anyway, didn't it?
Yeah.
Damn, the cookies are beautiful.
Not going to no bloody McDonald's. Ian McDonald's, sure that's been shagging Cardwell. Hey? He's waving at all signs as we go past him now. McDonald's.
McDonald's?
So here we are, back to base.
I wanna stay with you. I wanna stay with you. It's been so cold since you have been gone. Like I was told, you're the only one.
Mo's on the Vasa. Alright, so the sauce on his Sprite and Grizzly's on the hard stuff, cognac. Okay, thanks for looking at our little video of our little ferret around Orange in Vive la France. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and please remember to subscribe to the channel. You get better. This tomorrow we're filming at Avimore. We took a cab and a train, and then after that we're back on the bikes. So stay safe whatever you're doing and be happy. Thank you.